Manifestation is a mindset. It's not magic. You need to know who you are and what you want in your life, and manifestation will happen. And this is what I discovered in these many years of practice and study yoga and doing meditation and looking for answers around the world. And I put together a program, Mastering the Art of Manifestation, using the knowledge of the chakra and the knowledge of the 7 steps of manifestation to create a formula that will help you to manifest the life that you dream about. And what there is more powerful if not practice together with a group of people that are motivated all together to arrive in the end and succeed, to have the feeling, sensation of a community, a people around you. Also, if we will be not in the same room, but we will be in the same space, in the same mindset, to arrive together at the end with a great victory to see our dream become reality. So for this reason, because the manifestation is just a mindset and we want to raise our vibration and we want to practice with a group of people, in January, I will open the access to Mastering the Art of Manifestation to a group of people that really want to see the life transform and work together. It will be very simple. You just need to sign up to ensure your spot. You will receive an email with all the instructions. But in a very few words, it will be a 30-day challenge. There will be every day a class where we practice yoga, pranayama, breath work. There will be a support of the group. There will be my support. There will be some Zoom class. And to really motivate you, there is also the possibility to win a 1-year membership to our website, refeelyoga.com, lifetime access to this program. Because one of the secrets of manifestation and how to raise our vibration is to have the feeling of success inside us. So it's very important that you have this sensation, this feeling inside, and this 30-day challenge are made for this reason, because together we will arrive in the end, we will feel the success inside, we will feel the victory, and then this will open you the possibility to manifest during this 2025 with full confidence and with a lot of happiness and joy. If you want to work on yourself, discover who you are, what you want, and transform your life. If you want to work with a group of people, a community that really sustain you, and you want to have the possibility to win 1-year membership to our website, subscribe now that we will have the best 2025 together, full of achievement and dream become reality. See you on the mat.